Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to focus on question 8 from the 2023 Mathematics Standard 2 examination. So it's a multiple choice question, and I suggest if you have not completed this yet to attempt the problem before watching through. So the question is saying a game involves throwing a die and spinning a spinner. The sum of the two numbers obtained is the score. The table shows below, scores below, is partially completed. As you can see, we've got our die, our numbers for our die, our spinner, our four numbers, and some of the table is completed. The question is, what is the probability of getting a score of 7 or more? 7 or more. So the first thing I'm going to do is complete the table, and that's going to help me identify the scores that are great 7 or more to begin with. Okay, so first of all, I can identify the number of outcomes that there are is a table that's 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 24 possible outcomes. And what I'm interested in, I will shade it, are the values that are 7 or more. So any of the numbers that are 7 or more is what we're trying to calculate. And we can see, if we look at those, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the probability of a score of 7 or more is going to equal 10 over 24. And we can simplify that down to 5 over 12. So the correct solution for that one is going to be D, 5 over 12.